Y'all, I have been waiting 15 months for this. Our gorgeous pet, Monstera deliciosa, has finally given us a ripe fruit. And so I've never tried one of these before. Today's the day I get to try and find out why they call it deliciosa. All right, so these fruits have calcium oxalate crystals in them, so you can't eat them until they're fully ripe. And when the scales start falling off, that means it's ripe and it's finally there. So I'm gonna harvest this fruit. So literally, I've never tried one. If you try to buy these online, they cost about $100 to $150 per fruit because they take a long time to grow and they have to grow in a tropical area or inside of a greenhouse. Literally, I've never tried one of these. The smell smells like a mix between an apple and a banana. And I've heard that they're like a fruit smoothie. So I'm gonna just peel some of these scales off. And why don't you get closer and we'll see what this looks like. But yeah, there's a reason why these are called Monstera deliciosa. It's because of these fruits. So I'm gonna reveal the fruit and then I'm gonna take a big old bite. I've heard it has a taste that's similar to like pineapple, strawberry, banana, apple, kind of all mixed together. Really, really excited about this. I've wanted to do this for so many years. That is so good. That's different than any fruit I've ever had. I gotta think about how to describe this. Get some of this, break some of this up. Okay, so I used to live in a tropical country in Peru, and this is a very tropical fruit, so kind of typical of, it's kind of got a mix of pineapple. I definitely get hints of pineapple, but I don't really like pineapple that much, but I like this a lot more than pineapple. Guava, if you've ever had guava, it's got some guava tones. It has a little bit of apple for me. I don't usually hear that as being described as a flavor, but to me, it's got a hint of apple. And you could say there's some banana in there too, but it is very juicy and very good. Unfortunately, you can't just eat the whole fruit at once. You have to wait until those scales are literally just falling off like this. So down here, the scales are still holding on tight. So over the course of the next few days, it's going to ripen downward like this. And so I'll get to just kind of enjoy it over the next few days, but super good, worth the wait. I wish the whole thing was ripe because I would like to eat the whole thing right now. So good.